Wow, no more 1,000 subscribers before you can get your account monetized? Really? Are you really aware that you need not to get the 1,000 subscribers before you get your channel monetized? Yes, YouTube itself will actually invite you to apply for monetization even if you are not having your 1,000 subscribers. And in this video, that is exactly what I'm going to show you. And so please make sure you concentrate more on your watch hours, the number of views you are getting, and the content that you're actually producing, because on this channel, you see over here, you can see clearly that the channel is having less than 1,000 subscribers. But just check over here. There is an invitation over here to apply for YouTube partnership program, that is to be monetized on this particular channel. It sounds so great and interesting, so brilliant and so beautiful. In fact, YouTube is taking the channel monetization to a different level altogether. And so if you are a content creator, for a YouTuber, for a small YouTuber, you've just started, please do not worry yourself, struggling yourself to get more subscribers over here. Please concentrate on the views, and it's going to help you a lot. Over here, this is the channel that is not having up to 1,000 subscribers, but it's been called to apply for monetization. All right, so on the studio here, you can see this channel is having only 972 subscribers. Yes, only 972 subscribers, not even up to the 1,000 subscribers. All right, so now quickly let us check at the end section. All right, where we have the end. Great, so we can see the end section over here at the this corner. That is the left corner over here. That's the dollar sign over there. So you click on that, and then straight away, as you can see clearly over here, and on YouTube, start your journey, or start your earning journey. You see, the channel is not having 1,000 subscribers now. Let's check down here before we get top. It's having 972. This one is also confirming. All right, it's having 972 subscribers. Though the watch hours now, as I said earlier, is having 5,585, and that's why I said you should concentrate more on your watch hours. All right, now the watch hours is actually, this channel is actually gotten the 4,000 plus watch hours now, but the subscribers is not up to 1,000. But as you can see over here clearly, this channel has been invited to apply for the YouTube monetization. Oh yes, and that's so awesome. And so please, now that I have actually shown you that you don't actually need the full 1,000 subscribers before you can get your YouTube channel monetized, please do well to concentrate solely on your watch hours. All right, the subscribers will come by themselves. And for all you know, if you're able to get the 4,000 watch hours and even cross to, let's say, 5,000 watch hours as this channel is actually having, you may be lucky to be invited to actually apply for the YouTube monetization program, even without having your 1,000 subscribers. That's a good news. And this one is going to actually help all small YouTubers and growing YouTubers. And so please do well to take this advice. Concentrate more, give out quality video, quality content, video of value. Be consistent on YouTube almost every blessed day. If possible, be uploading, be showing up on YouTube. Let the YouTube algorithm actually get to find out that you are serious, and then you may be lucky to actually find yourself in this actual good news. Oh yes, so now it is no longer 1,000 subscribers before you can get your account monetized. And this one is actually the rare and the actual monetization. You see, YouTube is also having, I think those who are having 500 subscribers can actually monetize, but that one is just another way of monetizing, not the ads one. But this one is the main monetization. That is the full advertisement monetization on your videos. Oh yes, and when you read it, it says that you can earn from ads. So you can see this one is clearly about the ads. on or around your videos, and from YouTube premium subscribers watching your videos on the watch page. So it's a good news to all YouTubers on this major platform. And so please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly be subscribing right now. Click on the subscribe button right now. I would love to actually have you here as part of my subscribers. In fact, I give you the tips and the hacks to be able to grow your YouTube channel from start to become successful over here on YouTube. And so if you know someone who is also in need of this information to motivate and actually inspire him or her to keep it up, do well to share the particular video so that it also helps them as well. And don't forget to give me a like. And if you have any question too, you put it in the comment section. But this is what I want you to do now. Please, straight away after watching this video, get onto your YouTube studio at the end section and then check it over there. What do you see? For all you know, they've already sent you an application form to apply, but you have not actually checked that. So check it out and let me hear from the comment section what you actually saw over there. So what are you waiting for? Be able to come out with content with value, quality content. Continue to do that and forget about the subscribers. It will come by itself as you continue to give content of value and be consistent. And hey, you don't need to get 1,000 subscribers before you can get your account monetized. That's a good news. And so let's treat it as a good news. So that's just an update, a very quick update. And so when this account gets monetized, I'll actually get to let you know once again, God willing. And I hope this video is going to motivate and inspire you to continue to keep up the good work you are doing over here on your YouTube channel. No more 1,000 subscribers. Do not let anyone take money from you to get your subscribers. No, please work steadily, gradually, step by step, make good videos, quality content, and hey, you're gonna get to that side. Thank you very much, until we meet next time in my next video. God bless you and do have a wonderful time.